Hello guys, welcome to Marina Tech. Today we'll be seeing how to turn this plain Google screen to something crazy. Yes, to this crazy background. It's so cool, right? Yes, come on, let's see how to turn the plain Google background like this. So to do that, first look at the bottom of the Google screen. You'll be looking at the tab called Customize button. Just click it. You'll be noticing that you have selected no background option, and if you look at near, you'll be seeing a black artist collection, landscape, texture, life, cityscape, earth, art, and many more. And in that, just go into some of the theme which you like. Yeah, I'm gonna go to cityscape, and I like buildings, so I'm gonna choose that one. And look, you've got your background ready. Isn't it cool? And apart from this, if you wish to select the background on your own, again go to the Customize tab at the bottom, select it, and if you notice there will be an option named Upload from Device. Click it, and you can go on and select the picture on your own from the device. And look, isn't it cool? Yes, I like Hero Academia. And look at the top now. This picture is looking so cool, and it's in blue and white color. It doesn't match this, right? Come on, let's change it. Let's change this white plain tab to colorful one. For that, again we have to go and select the Customize tab, Customize button. And on the side, if you notice, there will be three options called color and theme. Click it, and you can just choose a color of your own, or you can choose a color on your own from the customized color. They're just like this. And up to now, I'm gonna select orange color, and I'm gonna give done. Now look at the final result. The color is matching, and the cool picture. Yes. And make sure the picture you're gonna choose is at high resolution and it is good quality, so it doesn't look blurred when you upload. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and mainly subscribe, and hit that bell notification button without fail, so you get all of my videos without fail. See you on next video. Until then, bye from Marina Tech. See ya.